British Columbia has some of the most beautiful spots to wheel, with dense forest trails, scenic water crossings, and of course, the mountains. What's going on, guys? Today we are back and we're in Fernie today with a pretty good crowd of Toyotas and some Jeeps. So yeah, let's go see what we can get into. I started the day with a broken lower rad hose before I even got to the trail. Luckily the brake was right at the end of the hose, so I cut the end of the hose off, shoved it on further, clamped it tight, and I was good to go. At the bottom of this hill is a creek crossing, making it very slippery. Luckily we had lots of winches around. Whoops, looks like Derek blew a bead on his 4Runner.
Good Sunday shoes, boys. Yeah, man. Mom's gonna be pissed! So you guys are running your hubs locked or unlocked?
Unlocked.
It gets harder to carry the weight of what I've done. I am speaking from experience. I don't wanna run no more. Seems to me a man can do a lot of thinking when he's staring down the barrel of a gun. And the devil sat inside, set on me since the day that I took sides with the sun. Now every morning the ghosts I met the night before, trying to find the grace in my mistakes.
That's it. With just a few minor breaks, lots of muddy trails, and fun water crossings, the day was practically over. If you're into off-roading, you have to check out what trails British Columbia has to offer. Even if the wheeling isn't as technical as you like, the scenery sure won't disappoint you. The mountains are calling. Anyways guys, that is about it for this week's episode of Dirt Garage. I hope you enjoyed it. This was a massive group, making it absolutely impossible for us to film everyone that was out with us, so sorry if I missed you. Anyways guys, if you like stuff, please remember to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and hey, if you want to support the channel, head over to www.dirtgarage.ca, pick up a sticker, a shirt. Every little bit helps and it means a lot to us. Anyways, we'll see you in the next one. Peace.
Stop there, Cody.
Stop.
Yeah, wait. Okay.
Get on me, you son.
Poor.
Dirty splat muffin. We're on, boys.
Oh. You guys gotta really push the jack going.
Pushing all